Currently, we only have 5 records in our movie table of our DB movie database. Movie 6 is actually going to be called Farewell Yeti, 92 minutes long, rated R, and the teaser says, Ice and terror find a common ground. This movie was released in 2009. Movie 7 is Gone and Back. That one has its description as well as the year 2010. Okay, this is all laid out, and we can see that the fields are separated by commas. How do we get this text file imported into this table? That's what BCP does, and that's what this lab is all about. Okay, we see the table where the data is going, but how about the file and from where the data is coming? If we go to the C drive, you should see you have a folder called Joe's to Pros. In that folder, make sure you have the ch1moviefeed.txt file in it. Double-click that file, and you can see movies 6 and 7 separated by commas for each field. Okay, knowing that this is the path, and this is the file name, open up a command prompt, and let's change the directory all the way back to the root of the C drive. And then, let's change the directory to the Joe's to Pros folder. And now, we're in the same folder in the command prompt as we were in the Windows Explorer. If we do a directory listing, we see that it found one file called ch1moviefeed.txt. So we're in the right area. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to type bulk copy program, or BCP, to the dbmovie.dbo.movie table. And specify data is coming in with in ch1moviefeed.txt, which is this file. So this file's data is going in this table. Now, it's not binary data, it's character data. So we have the lowercase c switch. Each field is terminated by a comma. We already typed in our Windows password when we logged in, so we will use our trusted connection. Now, lowercase r stands for the rows. How do we know what separates rows 6 and 7? Well, opening the actual file, we notice they're on separate lines. This is called a new line, so it's \n. Let's run that. It says 2 rows copied. Let's see our table's data. Aha! Here's Farewell Yeti and Gone and Back. Lab 1.3, Skill Check 1. Copy the ch1 sales invoice feed.txt file to the Joe's to Pros folder on your C drive. Run BCP with the right switches to put 1,877 records into the jprocode.dbo.sales invoice table. When you're done, your results should resemble the figure you see here. Skill Check 2. Copy the ch1 customerfeed.txt file to your Joe's to Pros folder on your C drive. Run BCP with the right switches to populate the customer table in the jprocode database. When you're done, you should see the 770 rows added to your existing 5 customers. You will have a total of 775 records in your customer table. To verify your result, run a query of all records from the customer table and see that you have 775 customers. Your result should resemble the figure you see here.